guys, I'm Renee. Welcome to my Kudos Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe I've had on my blog, my website, for a very long time. I think 2010. It sounds weird, but it tastes good. So if you're in the mood for something sweet and tangy and tart and all sorts of yummy for the summer, it's also healthy, you're going to want to try this cucumber, apple, and pear salad. And it's got a Dijon dill vinaigrette, and it's really tasty. It needs to sit in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours just to chill and for the flavors to fully marry. So I hope you'll try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Thanks for visiting. See you again. Bye.